Hi everyone, it's Roo from the King's Roost, and I'm here with a quick follow-up to yesterday's video on how to make your own flour. To make the thumbnail for that video, we scattered a bunch of grains on the countertop. Since nothing needs to go to waste, I'm going to make pancakes with those assorted grains. So in here I've got chickpeas, hard red wheat, buckwheat, rice, and oats. And we're going to put them in the mill and make some flour. Don't forget, check out this video if you don't have a mill on how to make your own flour. Add some baking powder, here's some salt, some sugar, here's some vanilla, a couple of eggs, and for milk you can use soy milk, coconut milk, almond milk, regular milk. Give it a nice stir, but not too much. Ladle it out, flip them over, make sure they've cooked all the way through, and there they are. So that's just one use of any extra grains you might have lying around. I'm curious to know if you're having success making your own flour and what kind of things you're doing with it. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. How was it?
It's delicious.